Hey guys, my name is Lisa and welcome to my first planting video on this channel. And on this video I decided to show you my collection. Yes, it's quite small, but I want to do it. I want to show you my plants and I want to fix how it's look like now and which plants I have, and maybe to make a new video after like 6 months or more to see how it will change. So let's get started. So the first plant is prayer plant or maranta. It has an amazing beautiful clay pot, but real pot is small. Yeah, I had a problem with Moranta before with dried tips leaves. So, but now I think I managed this problem. I find the solution of this, and I really like how it looks. It's an amazing, yeah. I think if you don't have Moranta, you should find definitely it. So next plant is Epipremnum pinnatum variegated form. So I liked this leaves because it looks like marble, and I think it's an amazing. It looks adorable. It looks stunning. I can say a lot of other words about this leaves. So I bought it in such system. I've never had plants growing without soil, but it looks quite well, quite good. I hope everything will be okay. And its leaves was so small, but now it's become bigger. So I think everything will be okay. Yeah. Next one is Epipremnum 2, but it's Epipremnum Global Green. So it has another form of leaves, and it has, as you see, like a light green color on the leaves, and I like it so much. I like that it has not like typical leaves form for Peperomia, like long, but it's look more like philodendron. So, and I like it so much. I don't have any like cute and adorable pot for it, but I will find. So but plants looks good, I think, and I hope it will grow well too. Calygia. So I've never had a calygia before, but I like plants with small leaves. You can see that it's true for calygia, and I noted that it's easy care plants and it's quick growing plants too. So I don't have any problem with calygia. I don't know why I've never did it before, when I never bought it before, because it's so easy and it looks cute. It looks so nice and pretty. Yes, that's true, I think. Yeah. I'm a Hoya fan, and next one will be Hoya Matilda. So it has really absolutely stunning leaves, absolutely gorgeous. So I like it so much. I like this splash on these leaves, and it's really easy care and easy growth Hoya, and I can say that it's my top 10 plants, top 10 Hoya, of course. And if you decided to change your location, to move to somewhere, you want to take this Hoya with you, it will be easier, everything will be okay, and for transportation it's quite good plans. So yeah, it looks amazing. Quite nice Hoya, I think. Hoya lacnosa Eskimo Silver. So she's so pretty and so tiny, but it will grow, of course. And I like their leaves. They're so cute, and I like the leaves color, so it can be ranged from dark, you will see this one, to silver, but any new leaf is quite amazing, quite cool. So I'm in love. So I'm in love with this Hoya. Back with cuttings. So here I have two plants. Is the first Hoya lacunosa Laos. I hope you will see the color and the splash of this small Hoya. Yes, I like it. I like it so much, but I'm waiting to grow a root of this. I just need a time for that, only time. And it can change the color of the leaves to burgundy red from green, of course, if it has enough light. But now it's not like the main idea, the main goal for me and for this Hoya. The main goal is roots, to get new roots. And this here russifolia. So I have two these here cuttings and this one without any roots. I'm waiting for that, but I have another with a new leaf. I like this here for this such a cute and small, like heart-shaped leaf. So as you know, it's named Million Hearts plant or something like this. Yes, I like it. It looks so pretty. Let's continue with Hoyas, and next one is Hoya Sunrise. And this big leaves, she has grown at home, at my home. And as you can see, she can change the color because of light. I should give her more light, and then it will be darker. So, but now I don't have so much light at home. It's bad, but it's quite okay. I can live with it. In the future, I will change it, and the leaves will change their color. So this beauty, pretty, adorable Hoya. And the last one is Scindapsus silver N. So it's easy care and quick growing plants too, like other my plants. And this was my first plant I bought here in my new home. So I love it. I love it so much. I've never had before silver N. I had just regular Scindapsus, like Pictus trebi or something like this, but silver N is absolutely amazing, absolutely cute and gorgina. Yeah. I hope you enjoy this video, and let me know, do you have these plants and do you like it or not and why. So see you in the next video. Bye.